What have you found to be, this is from Anonymous, I don't have a name, what have you found to be the biggest mistake the companies make when it comes to data cleansing? Wow, there's a subject. You could write a whole book
Well, yeah,
on that.
indeed, yeah. Well, if companies are, if the question is an owner operator, a user sending data out to third parties, then I'll answer the question in that way, and come back to me if this isn't the sort of aspect that you're looking at. But if you send out, here's 100,000 lines, clean, tender for 100,000 lines to be cleaned outside of your organization, and you just send it away, and you get a file back, there's a number of problems that arise from that. One is there's no ownership. You've got people who have no idea of how you operate, no idea of your culture, and frankly often no idea of what the parts they're looking at is. They're just effectively rearranging the words in your descriptions and trying to normalize them in some sort of way. And we've talked quite a lot on this webinar already about data specifications. And again, as we've demonstrated, one of the common problems that I've seen in the past is that the specifications have class names and they have a series of properties, but they don't have any values that you want back. And often then it's done in spreadsheets. You get a value and a unit measurement into a single cell, and there's no consistency. And as I said before, the problem is not so much is actually, whilst it is in the structure of the data specification used, the detail is in the values and the units of measurement, and that's where the biggest problem comes when you're searching for equivalents and all the rest of it. If you just simple things like m/m, mm, millimeters, all those sorts of differentials. Our system is designed with these data quality rules in place. I mean, I've done these projects before when you get data back and somebody has to then look through the data and define whether it's any better. And I've been on both sides of this process, and often it's just impossible to check these files and prove that you've actually improved the data quality and to get the people. So the key thing is change management. It's about getting a process, getting buy-in, and getting ownership.